Usembut mitrang ba kajala basngau ba langdhar wadi peitru yakatnat urban affairs uloong ba kasarkar jala kan penmi jing penbana thamai banwat bathiet jaka nak banta ban penlong jaka thenyut hajuai dak ba pen pau ba kidon kitrai jaka ki balapha ik jing trowa ki jongki uloong ba bon ki jaka ki dei ki bam yahap ban penlong jaka thenyut.
It was already fruit advertisement from the interested landowner, and application was submitted. It seemed the landowner which has been submitted already. It seems most land is not feasible. So today itself, I already notified for the new chairman of municipal court. So this week I'll take a call. If the previous application is not valid or not feasible, I'll go for the fresh advertisement. Decided yesterday, and the same for Morton and Shillong also. Yeah, same. Don't worry. Problem is continuing process, but solving the problem is continuous process also. Don't worry, I'll get it done.
How will you solve the problem?
You know very well how to solve a problem. There is a solution to every problem, but it may take time.